Understanding, turning a blind eye, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase in the English language, turning a blind eye. It's a fascinating expression that packs a lot of meaning and history. Stay with us as we uncover its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Turning a blind eye refers to the deliberate act of ignoring something that you know exists or is happening. It's not about being unaware or not seeing the issue. Rather, it's about choosing not to acknowledge it. This phrase is often used in situations where someone pretends not to notice something that should ideally be addressed or corrected. The phrase, turning a blind eye, has a rather colorful history. It is widely believed to have originated from a famous incident involving Admiral Horatio Nelson, a British naval hero. During the Battle of Copenhagen in 1801, Nelson, who was partially blind, supposedly put his telescope to his bad eye when signaled to withdraw by his superior. By doing this, he claimed not to have seen the retreat signal, allowing him to continue fighting. This act of defiant disobedience is admired for its bravery and has cemented the phrase in English vernacular. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are some examples to help you incorporate turning a blind eye into your conversations. The teacher turned a blind eye to the students whispering during the test, pretending not to notice. Despite the rules against pets in the building, the landlord turned a blind eye to the tenants with small dogs. The government often turns a blind eye to minor infractions if enforcing the law strictly would cause greater issues. These sentences illustrate the phrase's versatility and how it can be applied to various scenarios, from everyday situations to broader societal issues. We hope this exploration of turning a blind eye has been enlightening. This phrase is a powerful tool in English, capable of conveying complex attitudes and actions with just a few words. Whether you're writing, speaking, or trying to understand English better, recognizing and using phrases like this can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our next video.